4 people were severely injured in a head-on collision between two vehicles on Tuesday afternoon. This incident took place in Vishalgarh area. The injured people were later taken to Vishalgarh hospital. Another terrific road accident took place in the area of Vishalgarh on Tuesday. It was learned that 4 people were severely injured in a head-on collision between a TR07 327702 and TR01 BW0371 Hyundai vehicle on Tuesday afternoon. The incident was immediately informed to the Vishalgarh Fire Brigade personnel and took the injured person to the hospital. On this day, the injured people are Harilal Depnath, Momtaz Begum, Aklima Akhtar and Suman Sarkar. Among them, Momtaz Begum and Aklima Akhtar were referred to Agartala GB Hospital.
খবর আসছে যে কোনো গাড়ি চলতে একটা অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয়েছে। খবর সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আমরা গেলাম, গিয়ে দেখলাম যে একটা O2 আর একটা গাড়ির মধ্যে মুখোমুখি সমস্যা হয়েছে। এখানে আমরা 100% পাইছি, এর মধ্যে দুটো খুব সিরিয়াস।
তাদের নাম কি?
একজন হলো মমতাজ বেগম, হরিলাল দেবনাথ, আকালিমা আক্তার এবং শীতল সরকার ও সুমন সরকার।
কোন জায়গাতে পৌঁছেছেন?
আমরা বিশাল সাপ্লাই হসপিটালে পৌঁছেছি।
As per the latest report, the injured were still taking medical treatment at the hospital. Reported by Jivan from Vishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.